How to win Emoji Pong game on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then go to the chat section in Instagram. After you're in the chat section in the Instagram app, simply click on the person you want to play the game with. Send an emoji. After you've sent the emoji, one tap on the emoji in the chat. It will lead you to this page, and to win this Pong game, make sure the emoji does not fall. If it comes downwards, make sure you slide the black one at the bottom and make sure it does not fall. After you make sure it does not fall, you can repeat this and increase your score. And this is how to win Emoji Pong game Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.